traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the most important aspect of forex trading, which can either break your trading career or make it great. So here it is. We all know that what sets the professional traders apart from the rest is the ability to what to maintain risks, right? The ability to maintain risks. Because risk management, we all know that that is what is going to make you uh, successful in the industry. So, how do you apply proper risk management? So, here I'm going to share all my strategies on how to apply the risk management and be a profitable trader. So, number one is risk management. Why risk management is important. Before we dive into the word strategies, we're going to talk about why risk management is important in forex trading. Okay, so when you trade without a solid risk management, you are going to lose your money, right? Okay, let's say you get lucky and you make some profit. The profit you made, you are going to lose it eventually within the week or even that day. Why? Because you are not using risk management. And on the other hand, when you use a solid risk management, your profit is going to be growing. It's going to be growing. Because when you are making a loss with what the calculated risk, you're going to lose small amount of money, right, in your trading account. Instead of you losing everything, you are going to lose that specific amount you are risking per trade. So let's say you have a $100 account, right? When you have that $100 account on, you know, okay, you have $100 in your account and you want to risk. Let's say you're trading GBP JPY, right? And you want to risk only $10, right? In your account, which is $100, right? You're going to risk only $10 in it, right? Which is 0.1. So you're risking $10 and you want your stop loss to be exactly $10. Are you getting me? So if you take that trade and by mistake, or let's say the market just decided to take that money, right? And you lost $10. So you're having $90, right? So if you apply another risk management by taking another trade using 0.1, right? And that trade gave you $20. So let's do 100. 100 minus what? Minus 10. You lost $10. So you're having $90 now. So the profit you made in the next trade, right? Which gave you $20. So now add $20 to that $90. So let's do 90, right? Let's do 90 plus 20. So you're having $110. So it means that with risk management, you lost little in your account, and the next trade it gave you what $20. That means you have additional what profit. Your money is back, and you have $10 profit. So if you don't use proper risk management, tell me how are you going to get this money back? I hope I'm making sense. So all you need to do to succeed in this industry is to be what applying risk. Risk management. On the other hand, you can also apply risk management, right, with the amount of money you have in your account. So some people they can risk the whole $100 in their account and still deposit, right? Because you know that you have more than that, and you are what you know that you can afford to lose that amount of money, right? Then that's fine. But still, you have to apply proper risk management. But when you don't have enough capital, then you have to apply proper risk management under your $100 account or even $200 account, right? For me, I took some trade, right? I took some trade on gold, right? I made $1,300 with my $100, right? But what I did was I just risked everything in the account, right? I waited for a good one setup. I've been waiting for 1 hour. I've been waiting for it. right? So immediately it came back to my key level. I took a buy, right? I took a buy. It was $115 in the account, right? The first trade I took was 0.1. I used 0.1, and immediately after I started moving, I added another position, which is 0.2, and that was how I was able to make $1,300. I was adding position. So in that process, you can either lose the account or make something. But to me, I know that I am capable of that, right? I can afford to lose that. So I just risked everything and I made $1,300. So when you know that you have enough capital, you can risk that. That is all about risk management. So here I'm going to be showing you guys the video the day I made that $1,300. It was crazy. So that's the video. That's it.
one
So
thousand
I
dollars,
I
$100 to
I
one fucking
deposited one
thousand
hundred
dollars.
dollars
Brilliant,
and I was
Asif.
able to
MJFX real
turn it
account.
to $1,300. And you guys can see it here. Okay. So let's move to section two. So section two is what strategies, right, for what maintaining risks. So number one is what position what sizing, which I just finished talking about, right? And then let's move to number two. Number two is what your stop loss. Your stop loss is very important, right? So what you need to do when setting your stop loss, to me, I measure 20 pips, 20 pips all the time, 20 pips. What you need to do is, right, for you to maintain or to use a good stop loss is by catching that trade earlier, right? You don't just jump in a trade without seeing your key level, what your good setup, right? Without seeing it, you don't need to enter the trade. Like the beginners now, okay, they set their support. Let's say they set their support line and resistance. So you know you are going to take your trade from either your support line, right? As a beginner trader, I'm not talking about those using Fair Value Gap, Order Block, etc. So let's use the beginners as an example. So you set your order, right? Your buy limit order from the order block or your support line, and then you went out. So coming back, you already saw the market moving up, right? It has left your order block, right? And then you decided to enter the market from that side. You know, your stop loss is going to be long and the market can trace back and take your stop loss. That's why you need to take that trade. The earlier the better. If that trade is already gone, let it go. Because if you pause that trade, you are going to make a bad loss. That's why you need to what? Make your stop loss 20 pips all the time. The earlier the better. If the market is gone, the last one is what? Emotional control. Learn, right? Learn to control your emotions, right? Don't let fear, greed, or hope dictate your trading decisions. Because if you don't control your emotions, you are going to lose every single thing in your account. Even if you have $1 million in your account, you are going to lose it, right? When you don't control your emotion. So like imagine you are trading now, you just $10. Like I said, that your $100 account. And then you can't control yourself again. You just want to be trading. I have to make my money back. I have to make my money back. That is when you are going to lose every single thing in your account. When you make a loss, calm down, calm down, close your laptop, right? Close your laptop and come back the next day. Come back the next day. Or let's say you need at least just two losses a day and you're fine, right? If you make that two losses, do not come back to your computer again. Come back the next day and you're going to make your profits. So control your emotions. Don't let fear and greed, right, or hope, right, dedicate your trading decisions.